on Ghana's #1 radio station at Dom 106.3 FM. It's Thursday, the 25th of March. What? You're quite anymore. And yet easy. Oh. Anyways, good afternoon. If I tell where you're passing through, wouldn't say very important to us. And here the live commentary bro. And we know me fana match amona ma proper check akra de be akakra bi ho no enyeka. Because en channel bosumi aso na katuana ba e ka hia se bompe. E be affect me. Eti me proud akwafa. Eti mani nkoso nda ha ya wa Dom 106.3 FM. Eti yanko ni say kasabre no say Flora disposable handkerchief na ye kuramu den ane ade. Ankana me ye roll call on Facebook on ade. The woman nyina say ne no ehia say wo de normal cloth handkerchief be show botom. Cotton de ni ade nam sa James yi. Wo de omu chinchin. E de omu koto. Ehia. Ma sanka Flora disposable handkerchief. You run a crocro kama, so it fits into your pocket, your purse, your handbag easily. Ne bon so there that phone call. What the wrong way? I know what disposing of. It was 0243 033 033. Now you sort it out. Why? I feel Dominion herbal powder. Uti dini pe na so hu say adura ebo immune system na man hwan den no e na ye kan fama wo no. Eno nkodan che ne sanboa e normalize o blood. Dominion about powder, diabetes, stroke, and for the future crowd. Wow, heart or kidney related problems, no, a free or Ubenya Biato, Nanabuache Heba, Hallows Heba, King's Walk Heba, Little George Health Shop, Watermark Committee 5, and our favorite Pash Ventures. Do draw pound for Niche more Angel Dominion about Center, Ewa and Coco, Obetimia Frey 0543 158 195, Afe 020 42964. Fayanka for Obasima seal amount. We a special sealer and a AGI and our face so Ghana Standards Authority akabo mu dia ba. There you say yeah the silly abobobo food product how do be home our market. It ye uko market now koto food products now the Obasima seal no eh the mo bibia the tissue ye nuan mo mai. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. Adia ba ko etimi de sere ba ya kwamu yie pa ene se betimi atena se ne akaka ye nchiri emre pa besen ko na de ma etimi dimu yie pa kra ne se sa sere no ebetimi atena na enchiri ma nyina so abesere sa sere ni bie ene iki soap semene eye semene bie ba ne Ghana ye niam asie ene de keka ho nyina waboan wo sa akwani asa nyina eso ne bano so ye chamanfo ade enso a oh kiso fufu kro yai obi anu a wacha ade ache homo yetimi asakire mu akwa enu yie pa amenei afa befo kwa so ama ye de key brilliant aba den se be na sire ne be koso a ne ye de abowura ye nda ache fefefe no emu kiso ema Ghana fo nyina happy independence month. Kisop still amanzambo afo. Call a year MTN Momo agent point BSO ko perform transaction ko cash out no. So to me present a valid national ID card. Asa yetimi aboa wo sa kwan so ye we dey abo wa ho ban na watimi akoso receive cash na one handle transactions na in a safe and secure way. That is why we are good together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. TV na ho hwe no hwe na ne kura so de abakro betimi amwatimi anya no 5 times better than oil standard definition na ho hwe no. The new HD Plus decoder. Mawansan can be from the nearest authorized dealer be a ben war. And now any Electroland showroom be a war or may fana baby. Now when you're the Philly experience no on your HD TV like never before. I was bet me out for 0242 439 872. na ya sort o kama pa about drinks and so I did try no dey na dey obia you go like am so you go drink another one sir na ni kasam ni say we no ye mu asorto ye were royal apple ye were royal orange ye were royal cola and I say yes I wear royal cocktail we nominate the perfect flavors now we here no. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 52 351 251 and 0272 133 373. Pepacho enquiry ye egusu ginamu denden nti sabre ya o package na wo no bouquet na wo so no de obetimi aye ne say tua the next one na eto awo de no so no na wutua ne say wi a DSTV ebe jump e do akọ de etwen enokra eso what I say watimi afilia for musa mame mbom nchiremu we no so do hu shem because it comes at no extra cost ba no family, yeah. I'm say access family. Now I call compact. There's a compact plus. Now I call it. Now, what access no? What they all call kutia usika na? Call na ekotia for family. Utia family ne pe. Is there a family now? What you ananka be ma family bouquet package no? Very simple, cry. A 2 penche chamber brother phrase 0302 740 540. And it's with me following for social media platforms. I don't need now. Patch up as all join the conversation now. Hashtag no. Hey DSTV. Step up for more. Yeah. Now, do you want to gain more insights from industry experts to help keep your business alive and thriving? And then Patroti, it's about time you join the ABSA Business Connect series every last Friday of the month. And we're ABSA Facebook page, you know, so and we're at ABSA Ghana. Now, and a head of global market. On a Adolf Pega, ever have a conversation. Adolf Pega, a chief risk officer at ABSA Bank Ghana. It's this Friday, the 26th of March. That's tomorrow. 10 a.m. sharp. Topic no. Navigating risk for business survival and continuity. Inti bomode ansa so betimi de ho ahye mu bie. Na e de additional de pina ene nam. Ye betimi abo announce wetumpon e wo nyuma yi mu. The ABSA Business Connect. And so yes, 7 different variants. Ebia na onya unyentu de ba akona eno ha ene ubetimi anya asoto tini wasesam wo hwe de ehia wo na waje no boko etimame mo nchimu your geisha aloe vera soap. It calms and refreshes the skin. And on the color no a green. Shen so samame. And your geisha coconut soap. And also a soften, a sign and moisturize your skin no. Ne color no a white. And I want geisha mint color no a white and green. And I sign a war geisha shea butter soap. And also a moisturize dry skin no. Color no a beige. And now you want geisha rose soap. And no the perfume woman who said TNA a boaso sign soften skin no color no a pink. And now you want geisha lemon soap. And also equally a tough on germs yet mild on the skin. And also color no a green and white. Etiana washen so sa. Now what you choose choice. Abusia awie yan kanfo door master and Pobiman paint depot ema eho ena ubo udamu a unya kwanya na eneyi apono papa wo de besisi ufie na wasie no wonsa etimi aka ade afri ho enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German or Italian technology. Come pa. Or over 100 designs and colors to choose from. The endorsement ranges from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armor doors. Bath are available. Oba paint ya from one so your partner with news paint. Yeah, Euro standard news paint, you know. Your acrylic, your emotion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coating, waterproofing, damp-proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint accessories are holding in. Oh, hey, Chakwa, your wall. Hey, crack Kumasi Highway, so Pobiman. When you do Pobiman to booth, wow. Obehu, a door master and Pobiman paint depot. Put you to booth when you to a shop no more. And they cried, she idea background and say, real estate developers, nyano. Yes, say, Momra Magic painting, Binamo Fanco painting. More facilities, no. Na yen spread this kind of mom, Namun Tutu and Kakranka crack. I say, because it's a name more thing. We know yen find interest beyond to show. Bet me a friend was 0542 745 222 and now 050 021 2447. As they do a young farmer time herbal center. I'm on my time herbal mixture for the treatment of malaria fever. Say 3D net. Imo person speedy up healing process now. Say that the Biana mecano what the KNG about capsules no so I want. And we for general well-being. Ebema won SSU Hoson Tempa. For any more Kings Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Rick Jones, Zidos Herbal, Nina or Kanshi Drug Lead, and I feel Ekus Pharmacy, Class, Larry, Wodama Pharmacy, Nina or Aya Shaman. UPM, our tribe of Judah, Kaswa, Ubinya Biho, Pharma Trust and so Ouija Junction, the House Biho, and yes, I'll be your Frey 0244 417 6. Once again, MTN Susay and Kai will say from the 2nd of April 2021, you'll be required to present a valid national ID card anytime you visit a Momo agent point to perform a transaction. And we're doing this to help you, to protect you, help you, keep receiving cash, and also handle your transactions in a safe and secure manner. That is why we're good together. Hey. I say good afternoon, Ponsa of Trust Link. And then the Ukata Owusu family, we love her so much. It is our prayer that she will enjoy this day to the max. And a happy, glorious birthday. And so come out, Mrs. Irene Isabella Betepe Frimpong, aka Afi B. We Efi Eye Akosia and Kwesi Ajim Fianco, wishing you a happy birthday. The message here says, we love you. Your friend is saying live commentary. Na yababe din komo bitew na yako. But before we do that, mama nkase mi je aya na eye pass e betutu ye ho fun kakra. Some be kai last Monday. Ye show video them say there was a security man or patawom. Emma asumdwe bae. But obako anya no ntia sensifika num. Ekoto obako no hihye na roba. Emma onu mom kura akoto twede. Ena baako no retaliate ye no. Ne twede ne lande akwa na apena twatum. Otehwe ye. Na owu. Afi omo on Lucas omo was ye free police ama na wuku biba. Eme de afutu ama me ka wa se edu ba bi a yen hye ho den na kakra na obi gige okra na You're very careful because we'll be on Nam Crown and the bush of what on agencies under that. Don't sako can and nature too. And run I will be to me. And run I will be to me. Now, as Dan Kenya may say, me kai bibi. A kaki ticket. We are driving. Now we young from so we a mistake on the road. Now no driver complain. Once a young from so no. What they just apologize. You sample a patch okay. And now the upper crowd, the man just go. But rather, Omo young from so no mumuno. Obiako can mum the side did the attempt. And that's exactly what this taxi driver did. Ghana ha mre wa ha ne se obey over. Enti manye sharp and kameka no kwa kobone kam. Na me ko complain no this driver was insulting me the way or you know. Na me cross on na fe me say me ko bie the door no kwa almost. Oh Junction boy on when you bet the video we showed on Monday. Na say kwaku. And then we could our crowd that was washing white see now be some fiat you. And then me yes I me done me one copy the next moment try to be a to say somebody just mentioned by name Brad Jerry I'm say wow show tika me come to talk then I'm starting to abusia but let us all try no na wa kwakoye there enye Dianya very, very careful. I wanted to share this with you. Say no, it can happen. Some of the things that we see in videos, but a bit me to be extra careful. Said the bear, your home uncle Cadrium. I don't. I say.
Correct. The Amamionia for Utime, a time Herbal Center for Nine and Numeroti and Kane. Me pacho papa so upon Maso and Yenum de Intianimum, ni yo intia and Intia Betnasi say, a uyo no other for and Untia Beji Brena da de Abetnasi. A apumudin wasem yababi di apumudin como chuchine. Nipa de seni biesa umaweni anasa impo juno apumudin ehon. Fise ebia obotaye anasa impo anamu to esi woni so me pacho se betumi awie paya. Ejina wapomuden eso obusa obi obeka se o me botaye anase mpode me pese da achen me ye ne se mpese metu kwan obi se pese onya sika bebre obi nso se opese osisi adan na me pacho se we nyina betumi abamu ani so ade hunu betumi abamu a ejina hoden eso pese ahoden eni wona se yare account ho a ema onyoma bebre na eto chima enema bebre na esei enu ntime pacho time herbal center for ye di enupa aba yesi se malaria na hawa onuadofo edro ne time herbal mixture ebetu malaria no ase e di amount sounds na wo pedro asoportu immune system no ama encommon home me pacho eno na nipa dodo na abo kontre no mukope bi ato wonsu di queue ni vi line di mu bi na kope wo de na to na emo apumudi ne ntumi nsiesie emfa amount na answer na ebe pense time herbal mixture ene KNG herbal capsules emu no de ka je number me pacho adwon ho eni ba kofo etrim se bibi kire wa adwon so uhia nchechire mu bi afren e wo 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. Yes, starting free time herbal mixture time ni TIME eye bre otwede ampo nyankopon de bre eno de na ade na impo ye kotro kunkun ma me pacho Ezekiel 47 verse 12 o se ye ne aduaba ne mfa na haha no ensa yare wankase ye nto hahama no enguda bi da onuadofo na hahama so ye ka ho asem me pacho enye de edi eni ho a we ye mfikyire no da bi onuadofo e basa pe eno netumi ha ye ni padua nfise eno no ye di enuro aguso ya chese ye di chese ye hwedi di tine ka make se digu ye di agu san hahama no so a wankasa kra ko titibi e de ye ho adure besa so ha ni padua no na mom Dr. Kennedy Wusu Ajimai wabo wura kwa ibretum akofa enubina hahama nuahini enutane na wakeka edi abom eno nti obi bia oyale malaria a wanom time heba mr bia di ho adanse se edi brekuma bi mitu malaria no ase edi mawo onadofo awutie me malaria ehu so obi ka se malaria nye ho akache ne se oboa afimo ni nyina na ya World Health Organization bin ya mofra na 30% ye empanimfo eno nti awofo no me pa chaw ya mofra na ebia Saturdays bebre na echo school mo ko chese SHS foforo no mpacho Sundays no se bi ekoi dodo na eko abrabo fran akra o frifie akọ school mo no yento time herbal mixture emfa ne bagim pese school mo abo antontom ewo ho abana na dweso ko prep na se mpo kwa kosua de a onadofo ma me papa ute mo ba no abo antontom betumi awe na ma wanya yare fe ne malaria na malaria so ehu wanhwa na odofo no free wonsa wanhwa na impo hu kani ana se oba no wotumi ahwero da bi eni kwa se ba ne sa eno ntina ye kan for time herbal mixture edi ama obi biara me pa cho eya amansan nyina aduro se wutie me onyare kwa na wo pese wonom na ebo ni padua no ho ban obetumi anom fi se eya bibiduro any side effect bia na mo na ono noma enkoye wo ho sensunsuanso bi astarte den do ni padua no so na emom no na adwi ensi no pise malaria na pese eka no eto no me pa cho se malaria ebe kan ato a one na ode ma oni ebini bo se uti edwa uti bo ga obi so se ma poso eye memre me honam nyina ye me bete me je me ho enje me pa cho eye symptoms of malaria yan hwe obi ko kete so wontumi enna omuni ko fa no omna ba fa obemunu mun sa na ade achi na ade asa me pa cho basa pe malaria na da wono malaria pese eka eto ho edro ne time herbal mixture anasa wa utie monum ato wontumi enidi broni be kan loss of appetite wo de aduane ekomo obi ati se de wo bo na ba na nasa wo ha no ono nenum ato to ma na aduane wonim se che se wo ha no wo pese wo kunu me pa cho aduane ne hiama nipadua nipa da se ne bi se otumi didi na didi ye ka de ye fuo nipadua ne nso de aduane ti se aduane no ntumi enni na se nipadua nso so tia na ete de be ma ne oma ato chima nipadua nim eno ntine ye kan for time herbal mixture de amount abra wonum bia wo bubo bi no me pa cho wenum ebeda ho wo be didi asanso age entumu malaria yare no so ebe free nipadua nim akọ ama ho atumi atọ me pa cho malaria ehu na betena so ahye no nso se eya omukọ liver no eya plasmodium falciparum me pa cho okọ liver no na ono ne botaya ne se okọ se liver no na ochina bi wa moato nanam ewo ansiedo me pa cho se wo mpese beba ne sa da bia pese ni je ba wa fa wo pese otutu anamo esisi ye dia edro ne time herbal mixture TIME mansa enka bi awofo no ye mofre no modi from 12 years going no me pa cho omo ho akonya se so mtumi enum bi me pa cho se wutie me da bia na mawia so ana se oben eja ho wo ye eja ho adwuma me pa cho wo so edro me kan fo dia ma ye time herbal mixture yi mansa enka bi nanum bi se da bia ochina bi ewia wonam so ana se ja oben ho no nyadofo emfa nsunsanso kase bia emfa mre uni padua no ye nyina ye mo ho ban ye nsiesie ni padua no ye mpedu pano na ye nom me pa cho sisi ase onam na wo hye nipa 5 na pese obusom se open malaria dra etimi to malaria se tentem pa emu 4 beka cho se just auto time herbal mixture dintia eno na ya so ahwe ne edi ho adanse edo ne de me pa cho bebre na aba na nso batakari ni adofo wa hwe ne ya no e ma hu kremu papa sa nso na ukodwame no na hu de eba aboso ba ho e na ma eja epaye ti se wo pedu papa no atabusa ne enka enchrew eye time herbal mixture TIME malaria desnobia ne takra abane takra ne manu ya finance takra bone de fenyinam kwatre kwa je number no na frɛ bibi kire wa adwen so unya nchechire mu a 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 afide yanko K and herbal capsules eso edro so eboa e support immune system no me pa cho ye ka immune system a ejina special cells proteins tissues ne organs eso ewe ni peduan mom no mugina as soldiers ni police o musi yare anokwa na mom no se omo ye mrese ekima e ma yare ntempana bore ni peduan ebedu nya betetew enu nti obi etie me na wotwe bia okọ ayarasabia me pacha okọ no nso no edre ebe prescribe dia ma obi esa okoto eba ne sa pe masika entumi entna wonsem wonsa kan sika na odni nyina ekohwe ho yare me pacha immune system no aye weak me kanfo K and J herbal capsules e de amount enu ne edre be siesie enu ne edre betumi abo amada bia wa pomodin impo ani jetumi aba wa afa yen hwe ese immune system ne weaker ema outside invaders be to say viruses bacterials any parasite edunya yamra viruses afem ehwe benya yare friend che say covid-19 me patcho virus ena de yare we aba sanso na hepatitis B eno say virus yenti me patcho entenase say immune system ne weaker eno ntine be ma hawe etumi aba so yare etumi abetetew ye hwe World Health Organization mienya ne ntie say immune system ne weaker ntempana etumi ma che say yare bi etumi enya oni adofo entrance ntwentwon na ase edro ne K and J herbal capsule how etumi aba so yamra bacteria gonorrhea syphilis and chlamydia me pacho mo nso no mutumi nya kwanya ebowre ni pedre ma bra immune system no aye weak eno nti yanhwe be ma bi wa otie me na nso otenka se chesen sansan begu ne be ma no ho odwunso otenka se ne be mam hihye no ne be ma ne odwunso ne mu pa mie no so be wontafo da bi me ne be ma yare na aba mansa enka K and J herbal capsules support immune system no na sanso yinkeka wa nyina afiri ho oba wutie me pampan wo ahemfie wa na e ma ne bebre na wabu ne nsa awie ne ho na pampan no start ya eba oba bi nso etie me nsansa begwa himfio enu ntino amanioma enkoye bema ba ne nche na okwa ofre bema na bema ne emfa bi mepa cho wani monyam impo bema betimi abaware a dodo na ejina himfio na mmanya wa ho ofe bi obetimi address hyepe nanso se bema di wa ho ofe echi no ba ne nyoma ankoye a mepa cho ofre na omfa edro ne K&J herbal capsules no bi bubobi na NCSU bema aye obesima enije se unya anamo ese otunumeni aba ubetu no watuni ye eyema ne mema edro ntimi pacho ye nyina yenko drug stores license chemical shop pharmacy shop bi ebe no kwa onsa beka K&J herbal capsules bi na emom no mepacho okota afa osie eye oyo enkoto aduro no emfa emisiwo mepacho obi ato aduro na ono no K&J herbal capsules mepacho onoma acha 3 days ubon se nyoma asesan no ntina nyese nyoma asesan no nti ubejai esiwo da bi yare ne enko nom na asie entu na yare no ntumi mfiri ne pedua no emfa emma eye K&J herbal capsules support immune system no na esanso eye nkeka wanyina afiri time herbal mixture so betu malaria no ase the amount 417 669 0244 417 669 time herbal mixture any K&J herbal capsules ya da tiefo any adofo ase so mo bossa da se ne ye be sanso ne mo ahia ya kramo.
All right, yeah, that's it. Yeah, really say na che say ye boaboy ho ano no na enchibia no ya boy remu na fi the live commentary na bro student direct from South Africa na ye hu say the name bi si akwa afa. But before we do that, you fast that can see my proud sponsors on my boy my idea irrigated sports bro I will feel cause media so down there you know Betboro, yes Betboro, and they Betboro saying can show say show any obe signing up now I make you first deposit now for what place you will first bet. Once your first bet is settled, obetimi receive free bet. If you want to see the copy 400 cedis, what I say, based on your first bet placed, that simple. Now once you want free bet, now betimi answer the bet once the more not just a couple wins on that bet, and no the win boost feature, and no Betboro so it enjoy. Casino ne, I mean all live casino games I would na every day, everywhere. Obet me following on social media at Betboro Ghana. Betboro Ghana, or to be a player, not a viewer. The TBY. That's what it is. As they do from in boost herbal mixture, aka police near Bruno. Pa. And one I know the bobo and hobby gusu de titi. No more mission near my ika no my fat little George Health Shop or 25. No my Jimmy no. Melbourne you know BBI cool. What I say. And one near the Jivim. A more immune system ni Gina Brane. It's infection be a buy and one craft fight against it and son a cry to me about and podium, not just what killing that. You know what I'm saying? Across the country. Health Alert Shop a war a year. St. John's, and I'll call Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5 on Swabin at all. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and our phrase 0262 084 96. There. Ya unye biotim zampa. Eko yike Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. We know the perfect flavors now here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. This is another quality product from Kasap 251 or 0272 133 373. As they twice no yemfa Emma Jais na afi so aboa a prevent a high blood pressure near there. Monswa cholesterol wo mu bebre excess fat and gas in be clear ni na de ama why. Thousands I would be cow nipadua mu na ni na be clear na wade ho. Ye was Sima lady capsules so e wo ho. Yeah, no. A man e wo hormonal imbalance no. And no de bema mu e bema dru. Mr. Dane, a man madru. Bema, what I say, young Casa Honche is as a dear sign. Yeah, Franchi, Pama, who Bema, no, yeah, You know what I'm saying? And then your special treatment for stroke patients. I know on Fridays and Saturdays only. Jaishu Bar Clinic, Ablikuma, Olebu 626 down. Oba Doc Betrenche or Milton Keynes or UK no. Ubit me book your appointment with Dr. Shadrach Kwabna in Chakwa. +44 744 071 0664. Now I turn boss Yasho come pa. Yenru no so de Ghana Hana Pibiata. Nana Boachi Heba or Tema Committee 1. AA Mensa and a Nimdia Hebo. And yes, our phrase 0244 529 398 and our phrase 020 826 3357. Na yedin komo mu ode. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Elder Ebenezer Sian, the General Secretary of the Apostolic Church Ghana, Ark Temple, Kwesi Asante Asiedu, Mr. A4. Basizia.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for bank. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Ada. The Mazy Samen. Baby, sure, I'm no kuno. And here, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here, Kobeya. We am bedroom, Marija, Wunanum Papa Brown, Sanawaba. So, a constipation, I am trying. From a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsule. No, we am Rebogo. You're Fanafana, my child. One time upon a William, I'll go fine. San Jaisu Clinic away Jaisu WMP Cup.
Advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what ribia? Ya Timu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Drodon dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buying every home. And now one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Messi, and you may move Bia Yato in Ro, at to form friends 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Crack to Imagia to Musay.
Umami Yapanua, of Fumigiano. What down for noir? Wouldn't we do memoir? If Pia or no Coca-Cola catwalk. Yeni na yeni mubisa nenso omuniwa ne duane di asesa en Kenya braye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni FDAG edwadin krato yato.
Allow new customers, we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betborough.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. BetBorough Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Your big job 2021 Adum Gala Party. Nafi COVID-19 yeah virtual. Aye, Nanso Stereo. I need Jenny a Chantiani. 2021 Adum Gala Party. And Paso 27th March. Color see what you want in your favorite presenter color. One so feel pa. Me and now one pass. Home appliances, coupons, and a Pia Gaka. I need Jeno Shasia Debia. I don't want to be away and shows a hot water so cop him 27th March. And take catch up Yasa. I feel Adum Gala Party. AtomOnline.com. Nadia Adum Gala Party to my day pro. Adum Gala Party. Show me your colors.
All right, Abuja, live commentary. I will say 3 Music Awards 2021. Basso then. Tibomodi also be catching the live HD broadcast of the 4th annual 3 Music Awards 2021 on Joy Prime TV, Adon TV, and on the HD Plus decoder, and on 3 Music as well as on Facebook and YouTube via 3 Music Awards. Hey, Kiddy. Kwesi Arthur, Afe Medical, Joey B, Chris Waddle, Jackie, Dead People, Kweku Flick, Samsona Yathog, Kofi Jamal, Miss V, Jalid, LaRusso, Diana Hamilton, Effie Grace, and then Kobe Sam. And other exciting performances, Pina, ABPP, HD Plus, 3 Music Awards 2021 HD Experience Partner, NASCO Electronics, and then Tune Call with support from Volta Hotel Akosombo, Account IT, Grand Arena, the Radio Advertising People, as well as the Rave Media Group. 3 Music Awards here for the music. Na washe so sa edi amaye na yensan ka obiem say Kiso even better is when that smiles last for generations. For years, Kiso has taken care of the nation's laundry needs and rewarded Ghanaians every step of the way. We've innovated to stay ahead of the game. We keep brilliant, but stayed true to who we are with our longest lasting traditional bar, Key, a tradition of smiles, a future that's bright. Happy Independence Man, a crack mun ne ka say ne Vodafone. Say we use Vodafone cash now, the send this can mobile Vodafone cash so abusua a free. Yento hwe a free. Sounds now use Vodafone cash now or they send this car at the mobile or any other network be as well. And also equally. So just dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? And I must say, Seka Kreye de Baye, Moya Sutie, Oma Ayu. Na Oma started, Diabeko is here now. Yadi. Commentary now, yes, Edem. Ejabuja, baby Muna, and on the full show, Nebel from 3 to 6 p.m. Freestyle Friday, na Bibian Sweaty Miyako. Take care of your